Hello everyone and welcome to the ICCP 2021 Gather.Town space. This is a virtual space that you can use to browse ICCP posters, ask questions to poster presenters, and interact and socialize with other conference attendees. The space consists of 5 large rooms. When you first join, you will be in the main area where we are right now. At the top side of this area, there are doorways to 4 rooms that contain the posters. There are signs all over the floor pointing towards these poster rooms. For navigation help, you can take a look at the map available by pressing X. The map shows you the space you are currently in and available doorways for moving from one area to another. You can leave the map by clicking the X sign available at the top right. To see who else is currently online, you can use the participant list available by clicking this icon at the bottom left. If you want to locate someone you see on the list, you can click on their name, select the locate function, and then follow the directions that appear on the floor. To talk to someone you see on the map, you can walk towards them, and your audio and video will activate automatically once you are close enough. Anyone else coming close to you will have their audio and video activated, and they will be able to join in your conversation. If you want to reduce background noise, you can create a bubble with a specific attendee by right-clicking on their avatar and selecting the bubble option. Alternatively, if you want to have a completely private conversation, you can use one of the private spaces available in the main area. We have built 3 types of private spaces marked with distinctly colored floors. At the right side of the main area, there are medium-sized spaces that can accommodate about 10 attendees. At the bottom side of the main area, there are small private spaces for conversations between 2, 3, or 4 attendees. And at the left side of the main area, there are large spaces for up to 40 attendees. Anytime you enter such a private space, only you and others in the same private space will be able to talk to each other no matter who else is around. To browse posters, you can go to any of the 4 poster rooms and explore the posters contained there. We have arranged the posters in a 5x5 grid to make it easier to explore them. When you press X, in addition to the map, you will see a list of all posters along with their ID and room. You can use this list to see what posters are available and where they are located. You can also click on the title of a poster you are interested in to open a new tab that moves you directly to that poster. Once you have found a poster booth that you are interested in, you can interact with it in 2 different ways. First, you can move to the poster area to browse the poster or slide presentation, or you can move to the video area to watch the video presentation available for this poster. Note that not all poster booths contain both poster presentation and video presentations. To ask questions to the poster presenter, move to the private space marked as presenter area. Poster presenters will be sharing their screen so they can point to their poster or other presentation materials. Lastly, here are a few account settings you may find helpful. If you are lost or stuck somewhere, click at the bottom of your screen and select the Reset Position option to move back to the main area. If you want to change your name, click again at the bottom of your screen, select Edit, and type in your updated name. If you want to reduce the interaction area around you, click at the bottom of your screen and turn on Quiet Mode. Lastly, if you need any help, please feel free to reach out to our volunteers. You can find volunteers in the participant list. They will be the users that have AA- prefix to their name. You can contact them from anywhere in the Gather.Town space by using the chat function. Or you can reach out to them as with all other attendees.